Hello everyone, my name is Daquan Ishran and today I'm going to tell you guys about the platform called Quizlet. Quizlet is a mobile and web-based study application that allows students to study information with learning tools and games. It is currently used by 2/3 of high school students and half of university students. And I recently searched the link right here. Now I'm going to do the evaluation sheet. Take time to load. Here we're on the home page right now. As you can see, my profile and the little links on the side and the little classes that I made right here, which is one class I made. Now I'm doing evaluation. So first criteria is cost. First question is the technology free or affordable? I put that rating at a 5 because the technology is very affordable, which is actually free to every student. Next question is, are there any fees for special features? I put that at 2 because no, the special features do not matter with the student using software to expand their knowledge, which although they do have, like, look, with upgrades for a free 7-day trial, which doesn't matter because you can still study for exams or quizzes. Now the third question, the cost criteria is, what are cheaper technology or another alternative for the software? I put that at 3 because it does not matter if the source has extra features. Now, the next criteria is students. First question is the technology reliable for students? Assignments. Put that as a 5 because the platform allows students to study for tests and exams. Second question is, which type of level do this interface design have that is directly for specific field of study or profession? Now this platform is open to all types of fields of studies and levels of education, which grammar school and high school and middle school students and college students could use. Like recently I searched for my physics exam and it actually popped up for NIU physics exam. Now the third question is, what type of features do the computer and information literacy show that makes it seems easy to learn and use? Put that as a 4. And the platform has different types of activities that students can have fun while studying, which they can play games and practice learning tools. Next criteria is interactions. Our students and teachers interactions is needed throughout the software. I put that as a 4, and it says yes, teachers can communicate with students through this platform and create assignments. Second question is the technology available on every platform, such as Windows, Android, Mac, or iOS? But that's a 5 because it is available to all types of devices. Now, third question is technology accessible outside of school? But that's a 5 because yes, the platform is available to work outside of school. Now, the fourth section is ease of use. First question is can students access the software? And yes, they can, which it has easy access to like mobile devices and computers. And is technology adaptable to older devices? And I put that as a 5 because the technology is universal to all devices, as such as older mobile devices and older computers. Third question is, did this help the workforce grow dramatically for a near future? But that's a 3 because the platform does not matter if it increases the workforce over the years. Now, the security and privacy are the sources reliable? But that's a 4, which is yes. The sources are reliable because it allows students to increase their vocabulary. Second question is, do they have references to back their claim? Says, I said no. This platform does not need references to back their claim up. And the last question is, do the website have security features? And I said yes. The website has to protect students from illegal activity, which it totals out to 64 points, which is a high number for this type of platform. Now I'm gonna show you guys a scenario of a class that I made. It's called Spanish class. So I put vocabulary words in there, and I named the category as Chapter 1 Vocabulary Words. Now, as you see, I got a little class right here, and you can create folders too. But as I click this file, wait for it load, and you can see up here, there's all types of categories that you can study using the vocabulary words, such as the learning tool, flashcards, writing tests, spelling tests, or in like a regular test, in the match game, and the gravity game. Now, here you can see my previous test, or practice test that I did right here, and tell me the points from the gravity game, and the answers that I have not answered yet. But the match game, we'll press that. It says start game. Now, you match the words up, and they will disappear as you match them up. It's very simple to use. And it took only 30 seconds. And you can play this with other students too in your classroom. But the teacher or the professor has to make the classroom to have students participate in games in class. And there you go, the platform Quizlet. Thank you for watching.